If your sink is clogged and the water won't drain, don't worry. Today I'm showing you the most effective method to unclog it using 3 natural ingredients you probably already have at home. Look how the water just sits there, stagnant. This is one of the most frustrating problems in the kitchen. But you don't need to call a plumber or spend money on expensive products. Before we start, we need to remove all that stagnant water from the sink. Use a cup, mug, or small container to scoop out the water and pour it into a bucket or another sink. Get as much water out as possible. We need the drain opening clear and accessible for this method to work properly. If there's still a little water at the bottom, that's okay, but the drain should be visible. Now we're going to loosen the blockage with boiling water. Put a liter of water on to heat until it boils completely. When you see large bubbles, it's ready. Now pour the boiling water slowly, directly into the drain. Don't dump it all at once. We want the heat to melt the grease accumulated on the pipe walls. Wait 2 minutes. This initial step is crucial because it softens everything that's stuck in there. If the blockage is not severe, the hot water alone may unclog it easily. For more severe cases, after pouring the water, take half a cup of baking soda and pour it directly into the drain. Baking soda is slightly abrasive and alkaline. It will stick to the pipe walls and prepare the surface for the reaction that's coming next. This is where the magic happens. Slowly pour 1 cup of white vinegar over the baking soda. It's going to fizz a little. That effervescence is carbon dioxide, breaking up and detaching all the gunk stuck inside. Now let it work for 5 minutes. This time is necessary for the chemical reaction to fully break down the grease, soap, and food residue clogging your pipe. After that, we move to the final step. Boil another pot of water. This time 1.5 liters. Pour all the boiling water in one go. This powerful stream will wash away everything the reaction loosened. Look how the water now drains perfectly. If you feel it's not draining 100%, repeat the entire process a second time. For severe blockages, 2 applications are more effective than 1. To confirm it's completely unclogged, turn the faucet on at maximum pressure for 30 seconds. If the water drains without pooling, problem solved. To prevent it from happening again, once a week, pour boiling water down the drain. Use a strainer to prevent food residue from going down. And never pour cooking oil down the sink. If this method worked for you, give me a like and share this video with someone who has the same problem. See you in the next video.